We are currently in Santa Barbara. We got here last night at probably like 1 o'clock in the morning. And this shit is so fucking pretty. I think we're gonna be heading out on our way back to Portland here pretty soon. Bringing my bags out so I can put them in the car. This is a fun ass trip, guys. We've been everywhere. Look at this shit. Palm trees and shit. This is the life, man. So we're gonna be driving pretty much all the way up the 101 to get back home. Planning on taking a bunch of videos and pictures on the way. So it's gonna be a fucking sweet ass trip and a lot of cool content of both the R34 and the IS300 for you guys. So I hope you guys are stoked. Let's get into it.
You're gonna go? You want me to go? Right now. Jesus, fuck me! That's the first time I actually accelerated in this car.
You just ripped your sunglasses?
Yeah, that's about right. Yeah, that feels more like the R34 I know at home. Fuck. That was actually not what I was expecting.
You got a little nervous there.
Well, it didn't hit boost at all until like, I don't know, fucking $5 grand, and then she was ready to send it.
Isn't that how race cars work?
I mean, yeah, but the one at home, like, I at least could predict it. This one is foreign to me. Jesus.
Yeah, dude, that fucking thing is so fast. I thought that I could like keep up with it, and I totally can until it hits boost. It's just ridiculous. Like, you can definitely tell like how much lag there is, because I can keep up with him at like low end before he builds any boost, and it feels like it's just as fast as my car. The second that thing hits boost, it's gone.
So we're pulling into this fucking stupid ass gas station, fucking Arco in Santa Barbara. This bullshit. Look at this shit. This is the biggest fucking driveway I've ever seen in my life. Of course, check out what happens to my fucking car. I baconed the fuck out of my fender. That's unfortunate. Let's fix it. Oh, this is getting sketchy, dude. Oh, I did something.
Well, you got most of it. I mean, it looks a little rusted, so I'm guessing this isn't your first time.
Not really, no. It usually like kind of hits, but like only scrapes the paint a little bit.
Oh, it doesn't completely roll over like that?
Taking the shit out of it, dude. Yeah, that'll be fine. So that's the repair. I mean, it's not great, but it'll hold, hopefully. Let's see. This side should be fine. As long as I don't hit any more of those stupid fucking entryways, I should be good. Hopefully though, this will be the beginning of our journey back to Portland, and I won't have to experience too much of that, but we'll fucking see. I don't want to bake in this shit again. I fixed it!
Alright, dude.
I come around the corner. I can't see
Get the fuck out of here.
I know,
Like,
dude.
Fuck California.
Dude, this state is just fucking my shit up, dude.
I can't believe people are driving like Lamborghinis. Fucking.
I know, like, how do you get anywhere?
They just have so much money. They're like, fuck that bummer. I don't need it.
Yeah, I suppose.
It does suck.
Yeah.
Sorry, man.
It's fine. I got it back to pretty much where it was before.
Normal, right?
You almost can't tell.
Yeah, you can. It's just a little.
I'll just paint it when I get home.
Let's see if we can get out of this fucking gas station parking lot without destroying another fender. So we found what seems to be the smallest curb in this parking lot, but oh my god, it still looks like a fucking mountain. So can I make it? Oh, that one was fine. What the fuck? Oh, I'm pissed. Okay, let's get on the freeway. I just gotta forget about this. It's fine. I bake in my fender. It happens to everybody. It happens. It's fine. God, I'm pissed. I refuse to even fill up at this place because I didn't want to give them any money after they fucked my fender like that. So I'm running on a little over half a tank. I think I should still beat Ben to have to go to the next fill-up station because that GTR sucks fuel down like a fucking bitch, dude. It's ridiculous. Ben found a fucking EV1 tractor on the road.
So there's a chicken at this gas station. I'm gonna go see if I can catch it. Look at this fucking chicken. Bro, he doesn't even give a shit.
Used to it. Actually, you could probably pick it up.
I could probably pick him up. Come here, chicken. Come here, chicken. Taking some pictures and some sweet videos. So I think now we're gonna start the long trek up to San Francisco. I think that's where we're gonna be stopping for the night, getting a hotel and sleeping. Some of the guys were talking about hitting up the Golden Gate Bridge and getting a bunch of pictures and videos there. So I think that'd be super cool. Honestly, this backdrop is just so beautiful and it's making all of this footage so worth it. I'm so glad that I came out. You guys can see I have been rubbing a little bit, just a little baby bit. You can feel a little bit of caked on rubber on my fenders. It's kind of funny. The fronts haven't been too bad except for the one little thing at the gas station. Kind of pulled it out a little bit, but it's fine. It still looks all right. Still looks like factory car. So I think we're gonna head out. I'll see you guys at San Francisco. Hey! You too! Honestly, I hate California roads, but the houses are fucking insane. God, I need to be rich, dude. One of these days, I'm gonna get rich enough to buy one of those houses and rich enough to afford the body damage that comes to my cars whenever I go drive them. One day. I think we're still about 2 hours away from San Francisco. So we got a fucking trek ahead of us, but we'll get there, I really want to get something to eat. I want to get some more fucking in and out. I don't know, I'm addicted to it, dude. Take us to the moon, baby! Look at the stars! Take us to the moon! Pulling up to the hotel now. Fuck. 6-hour drive. So we decided it probably wasn't a good idea to leave the R34 just in the parking lot. So we're boxing it the fuck in. Okay, but can we just talk about how fucking mean that GTR sounds? It's insane. I can't even... That exhaust note is going to live in my head for the rest of eternity. It's awesome. Anyways, guys, that marks the end of the third day of our trip to get the GTR back to Washington to its home. I'm stoked. This entire trip has been, honestly, the trip of a lifetime. Honestly, I can't even believe that I've been driving around with a fucking EV1 GTR on the streets of California. Just the entire thing. It's awesome. Hope you guys are liking the content as much as I am. If you guys are, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. That being said, I'll see you guys next time.